What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Soul Poetry Sunday by the beautiful fireplace. And again, I'm Mommy Ranger today. All right. Should I do a spin? I will. All right. So this story, this is a real story. The piece is called That Damn Ratchet Ass Geno's Place in the Park. Damn, that took us a style. All right. Y'all ready? Let's get into it. Hit me, DJ. I have always been a heavy drinker. From 211 OE, Boone's Fun, Paul Masson, Ciroc, Cisco, Bacardi, and etc. One time I drank 11 Long Islands. I was tipsy, not drunk at all. You see, alcohol is like Eddie Kane Jr. running my bloodline. So a co-worker invited me to this funky ass Geno's place located at 12401 South Ashland, Calumet Park, Illinois. She was like, nobody can drink these Long Islands and drive. I said, it's a challenge. The food was okay, but I drank 2 damn watermelon Long Islands. I didn't have control of my body any longer. I was vomiting constantly. 2 people tried to get me to the car, but I was very heavy. I blacked out. We pulled over, an ambulance was called. The story was, it took 4 firefighters to get me into the ambulance. They ripped my best flannel shirt. I'm still mad about that. I was still out like fight night. I had an IV in me, and it brought life back to my body. I was out for hours. When I woke up, I said, where am I? They said, you're in McNeil Hospital. I said, this hospital is racist, and went back to bed. I almost died that night from alcohol poisoning. I never in a million years thought that would happen to me. I wrote a Google review on their non-caring asses. This nigga replied, okay. To the establishment of Geno's Place, fuck you pussies with an easy E dick. It's Nika the Soul Sister.